Kung mamimili ka ng mga i-develop mo para i-promote balang araw to become leader and manager, ano ba yung mga dapat mong hanapin ng mga katangian that shows that they have the high potential for leadership? Let me share with you 6 things that I look for when identifying someone with leadership potential. The first is learning agility. Importante ito because leaders are constantly learning through experience, feedback, mistakes, and new situations. So you want someone who picks things up quickly and applies them just as fast, madaling matuto. Next is aspiration. Mahirap turuan ang mga taong ayaw naman maging leader. Gusto lang nila yung position. So ang gusto mo ay yung may tunay na desire to grow into leadership. So not just for the title but for the responsibility that comes with it. Next is engagement. A leader is an organizational champion. Hindi pwedeng detached, hindi pwedeng walang interest sa growth ng kumpanya. So you want someone who genuinely believes in the company's mission and values kasi sila rin naman ang magpapasa nito sa iba. Ang susunod ay cognitive capacity. Leaders solve problems that don't have easy answers. Strategic thinking and the ability to deal with complexity are non-negotiables. Hindi pwedeng mababaw lang ang analysis. Ang susunod ay coachability. Walang leader na marunong agad. Dapat willing silang makinig, tumanggap ng feedback, at matuto from others. Humility is part of leadership maturity. Next is leadership presence. Leadership presence is the ability to connect, influence, and inspire kahit wala pang formal authority. People naturally follow them because of how they carry themselves and relate to others. Now, here's the good part. When people have these qualities, leadership development interventions become very effective. It multiplies their impact because you're not building potential from scratch, you're refining what's already there. Ako ay naniniwala kapag nagkakandak ako ng training for leadership, the people who really benefit from that are people who are already leaders who are just fine-tuning what they already have. I hope this helps.